Welcome to the Landro tutorials. This tutorial is on sharing and then collaborating the videos with your supervisor, your teacher, or your coach, or even a mentor. Let's get started. You learn from other videos how to share your videos. Here we have a list of 5 different highlights. They're called plays. You can actually click on this icon here and share one at a time with your supervisor, or you can share the entire video with your supervisor. And here's where we do that. When we share the entire video, we can then just type in the email address of that person and then set this for allow collaboration. What that does is allows your supervisor to review the video, edit the video if they wish, and then send you comments back so that they can make you a little bit better before your next recording session. All you do is click the share button and an email is on its way. The email will look a little like this. So you can see that email. Ask your supervisor to review the video, and all they do is click on this link to open it. And they can edit, and then they'll send comments back to you. Now that's as simple as sharing and collaborating is. That's the part of the student, the athlete, or the person who is recording the video so they can improve their skills. The next section will be on how your supervisor will send you comments back. Welcome back. This video is on how to comment to a video that was shared with you. This is easy to do. You'll get an email, and if you click on the link sent by that student, this one was sent by Melissa, and if you click on that, it will open up exactly to that video as you see right there, and that is our video. I'm going to pause this just so we can just see what's happening. I can point things out, but so this is our video. Now we have an alternate way. It's taking her right to the video in my share folder. So if I go to here also, I can click on the share folder, click on shares, and here's Melissa Landro. So we'll click on that, and that is the video that was shared with me. So 2 ways. Click the link in the video you get. It will take you right to where you want, or go to your share folders and go to her folder so that you can see it. Both ways, you'll get used to one or the other, and it's easier to click the link on the email because you know you have something to do and it takes you exactly where you want to be. And so let's open this by clicking on it. So this is the video she sent back with all the highlights made. You can see 3 highlights here as an example. So we can click on any one of those highlights, and as we're reviewing it, we'll say, I have a comment on highlight 3. So let's pause the video for a second. And we want to say just about right there. So I'm going to tag it. And this is like putting a bookmark on it. It's not like the plays where you can put a beginning and an end. This just has a little bookmark where you had a comment. You can say, let's say, great example for class on Monday. So we want to use that in class. So we can just say, save that. And so we have that example. So as I'm reviewing other places, let's say we're looking at this, and we see this spot right here where this person is nodding their head, and we might have to show that this was reflecting feelings, maybe. You know, you might put a comment after reflecting feelings and say, great example there. I'm going to be positive today, so you can have what you want them to correct before the next session, or this is a great thing, keep it up. And so we can say save that. And you can see it puts a time marker on this at 10 seconds in. So if you want to go back to that on your will here, you can go back to 10 seconds and see it manually if you like, or just click on the example right there and it'll take you right back to that. It'll play it over and over again so that they can see their mistake. And repetition is the mother of skill. The more they see what they've done wrong, they get that aha moment, and maybe before the next recording session, they're going to reflect on that and get much better at the next recording example. So we have 2 examples of reflecting feelings, and great example, and on. You get the point. They're shortcuts. It takes you to a spot in the video that you want them to be aware of, and allows them to review that spot right there. Now, if you want to send these comments back to your student, you can send one comment, just like this, by sharing it back to the student. Or you can say, let's send them all back to the student, and we're going to share that comment, and we're going to allow collaboration on that as well. And it automatically puts Melissa's email address in there because we are in her folder, and we've clicked on her link in the email. So that's a nice way. You don't have to worry about finding their email address either. So we just click share, and we'll send an email back to Melissa saying, here are the comments I have. And she clicks that link, and it opens up the exact spot where the supervisor wanted them to be. So it's great to use the emails as opposed to just going in looking in folders. So see, as I go to these share folders, everybody who sends me an email will have a folder that's created automatically for them. So you don't have to worry about where they are. They'll be in the student folder, but if you click on the link, it will take you right to that spot, so you don't have to search for anything. The key to Landro is we don't want you to do anything if we already know what you need. And so finding things like emails and things like that is not necessary because we know exactly what you need to do. So when I share that, you'll see Melissa's name goes right into that. And if you need further collaboration, just mark it collaborate. And that is all there is to commenting. Very easy. Let us know what you think by using the support line. Always, as always, I'm going to log out so I save my bandwidth and my usage for the month. And you can click on the help, and it will take you to all the videos that you see here for training, all the videos we've seen today. So thank you for being with us. Good luck on your next recording session.